So I hope everybody is able to hear me, right? Yeah.
Yeah, you are clear from your side.
Okay, great. So guys, I hope you know already this is the first Linux class today, which is the prerequisite for our DevOps. Okay, na? So compulsory Linux is required to continue with the DevOps. Then only you can understand DevOps. Okay. So already like we done with our demo. Let me share my screen, guys. And meanwhile, who has the setup? I think Ramya or some like someone said you will be ready with the setup. In last class, I requested someone. Who is that?
Yes, yes, it's me, Ramya.
Okay, Ramya. So are you ready with your setup?
Yes, yes, I'm ready.
Oh, that's great. Excellent. Okay. So first of all, I will explain about the prerequisites. Okay, now as I told for DevOps. Okay. So Linux is the prerequisite, guys. So on top of Linux operating system only, we install our DevOps tools, our applications. So there only we do practice. And for that purpose, in your laptop, nothing required. Only there are some third-party cloud providers. Okay, now we have to create account with them. So example AWS. So everybody should have AWS account, guys. So everybody should have AWS account. There only we will install Linux operating systems, not in your laptop. Okay, now on top of it, we will install our DevOps tools. Okay, now this is the flow, guys. So compulsory we need that. Okay, na? So already in last class, I showed how to create our AWS account. On top of it, how to log in, then how to install Linux operating systems. I showed you. Okay. In today's class, I will start with the Linux basics. What is Linux? How it works? What are the different distributions we do? How? First of all, why Linux? Okay, na. So guys, whoever joined newly today, okay, so you have to go through the last two videos. So there I explained about what is DevOps, what are the advantages of DevOps. Okay, now how to set up the require maybe AWS account and Linux operating system, how to install on top of it. Everything I showed you. Okay, hardware requirements are nothing. Simple, your laptop is enough. Okay, so in a basic laptop like 4 GB RAM, for again CPU, storage required, because in your laptop nothing we do, everything we do in cloud only. Okay, na? So guys, whoever joined newly today, let me give my WhatsApp link. Okay, na? If or else let me ping my WhatsApp number, guys. This is my number. Everybody, whoever newly joined, please ping me on this WhatsApp number so that I will add you into my WhatsApp group. So there, you will get daily recordings also. Okay, now please ping me on this number. Yes. So i3 second generation. Yes, definitely it is enough. As I told, in your laptop, nothing we do. Everything we do in cloud only. Only you are able to open browser means that is enough. Nothing else required. Okay, na? Please ping me, guys. Maybe I cannot ping you individually, so you have to ping me. And this is my WhatsApp number. Whoever would like to continue or who has any doubts, please ping me after the class. This is my number. Okay, na? So I will add you into my WhatsApp group. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought I started my screen. Just a minute. Yeah. Now are you able to see my screen? So this is my number, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can ping me here. Everybody, guys, who joined newly today, please ping me on my number so that I will add you into my WhatsApp group. I pinged in chat box also. Okay, let's start. And the timing part also, guys. So again, I'm recalling. So as I told, 8:30 p.m. IST is only for 1 week. Is only for 1 week, as I told. This is only for Linux. Okay, now after Linux completed, I have 2 batches. Okay, now so I have 2 batches, guys. These are the DevOps batches. You can join anywhere. Okay, now 7:15 batch, it will take some time, like maybe 2 more weeks. But after Linux, this is available. So here you have to continue, not in 8:30 p.m. This is only for 1 week, guys, until Linux is completed. After that, you can join anywhere, morning batch or evening. Morning batch, it will take 2 more weeks, but this one immediately after Linux, just for your information. Okay, yeah. Now let's continue. So why we are going with Linux? Why not with DevOps? Sorry, Windows. Because guys, you know that, right? Windows is user friendly. Everybody in our personal life, we are using Windows only. But in real time, in organizations, why do we go with Linux? Why not Windows? Why? Because just a minute, guys. I don't know, few people they are pinging me. So there are multiple advantages, guys. Okay, first of all, Linux is open source operating system. Windows is not free of cost, guys. Windows is paid version in real time, even not even personal life. In personal life also, Windows is not free of cost, guys. We are using unofficial OS, most of the guys. Okay, but in real time also, again, Windows is paid, very costly. So that is where Linux they are using. That is one of the uh, reason, and more secure when compared to Windows. And for automation, so this is very flexible. So guys, as I told, DevOps is for automation actually, right? So when compared to Windows command line, Linux command line is more flexible. That is the reason. More performance you will get. More performance also. That is also one of the reason. That is the reason we are going with Linux operating system, guys. Not Windows. In real time, most of the organizations are using Linux only. Okay, not Windows. So next, different distributions available in Linux. Different distributions available in Linux. Guys, if I ask you in Windows, what are the different distributions we have in Windows? Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows XP, Windows 2000, Windows 2016, different distributions available. So all are owned by Microsoft only. But guys, in Linux, again Linux also we do have different distributions. Okay, now Red Hat Linux, CentOS, Amazon Linux, Fedora, Ubuntu, SUSE, Kali, Sun Solaris, IBM AX, HPUX. So like this, I can say huge list, guys. Okay, now all are different distributions. Same in Windows, Windows 10, Windows XP, Windows 2000, right? Same concept. But all are owned by different companies, guys. This is developed by HP company. This is developed by IBM company. This is developed by Sun company. This is Kali. This is SUSE. This is Amazon developed Linux. This is Red Hat developed Linux. Like that, different distributors, different companies, they develop this OS, not one company. So like most of the time in real time, we use first these only, guys. So first four we use mostly in real time. We use Red Hat Linux, we use CentOS Linux or Amazon Linux or Ubuntu because of the friendly nature. When compared to other distributions, these four are very comfortable, very easy to set up, very easy to understand also. So that is the reason we go with these distributions, guys, in real time also, free of cost. Again, in Linux also we don't have everything free, guys. These are paid versions again. But here these are open source, free of cost, and very easy to use. That is the reason we are using these distributions. Okay, na? So that is the advantage, guys. Here, if you remember, in last class, we have taken this image. We build our operating system by using Amazon Linux image. We build our Amazon Linux operating system, right? So in entire class, guys, basics are same. Example, if I know Windows XP, I can manage Windows other systems also, right? Like example, Windows 10 I can manage, Windows 11 I can manage, Windows 16 I can manage. Yes or no? Basics are same. Only advanced level you will have more options. That is the difference. Here also same. Basics are same. If you work for Amazon Linux or Red Hat, you can work for other distributions also. Only advanced level configurations are different, guys. Okay, na? In our class, we go with these four distributions. First four distributions we go. Okay, so like mostly Amazon Linux, but based on requirement, I will go with other distributions also. So let's go with Amazon Linux. Now let's see. Like already I showed, but I will show one more time how to install operating system in cloud environment. So Ramya, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Okay. Can you please share your screen? So I will show from beginning, guys, again one more time. So once you have your own AWS account, okay na? So this is our AWS account. So what is
Is
AWS
it
account?
visible?
Yes, I can see your screen. So guys,
Okay.
what is AWS account means? So like compulsory every organization need your data centers. Our own data centers we need. Okay na? So but maintaining our own data centers are very costly. Okay na. So that is the reason nowadays, guys, we are going with third party data centers. So like they are providing so many services for very less cost. Okay, so that is the reason we are going with cloud. So AWS is one of the commonly used data center cloud provider. So we created a already AWS account. So let's go from scratch. Can you click on services? Top left hand corner services button is there, right? See, guys, once you log in, click on the services button, go to EC2 dashboard. Okay, so if you want to launch your server operating system, okay, it seems already you launched your server, but I'm showing from scratch. Now, where are you?
Okay.
In which data center you are in? You are in Mumbai
Mumbai.
data center now. So top right hand, you can change it by clicking on it. If you are working for US project, if you are working for India project, based on that you will select it. I selected Mumbai data center. So select Mumbai data center. Yeah. Now currently you are in Mumbai. Okay. So let's launch a new EC2 instance. So guys, in real time, how many you need, that many you will launch. Okay na? You need 20 or 30 or 50 or your wish. Let's go with launch instance. So guys, try to understand. I'm taking Linux operating system now again. So go with Amazon Linux.
Here I'm using existing key pair.
Yeah, you were wish, but let's go with new only because few guys, new guys are there, right? So guys, I'm showing how to launch my new operating system. Okay, so in real time, we don't do daily basis, only one time we will launch. But okay, so give any name. Maybe Yeah, create new key pair and give your name. So download key pair. So guys, I'm showing how to create our operating system launch instance. That's it guys. Your operating system is ready. Click on view instances. See, it's coming now. The second one, it's been pending state. See, your server is ready. Hardly 1 minute guys. 1 or 2 minutes you can launch you can create your install operating system. Now how to log in? So you will be having different teams in your project, right? How to log in now? Let me show you. Okay, so select that server. See, it's a running state now. It's running state. So every
Yes.
server has its own IP address. Okay, now every server has its own IP address. But before that, let me show something. Just a minute. Let me share my screen. So guys, generally how to log in your operating systems? So you need username or password or username and private key. So there are different ways guys. Maybe you may not know this option, the second and third option. Okay, there are key based logins also there. Public key and private key. So the different ways we can use. So either username and password you should have. Either username and private key you should have. So how to generate these things we will see later. Okay, so public key, private key you should have. So here what AWS guys doing? They are providing this. Maybe example, my key name is Sri. So while launching my server, they will ask us to download one key pair. So key pair has public and private key guys. So it's okay now. If I give Sri as name, then I will get Sri.pem. This is the key pair, means not one key. There are two keys available, public key and private key available in this private in this PEM key. Actually, like I'm going to use this method. So private key I need. They given full maybe both combination. So I will generate a private key to log into my system. That's what I'm going to show you. Okay now. So before that guys, Putty, you should have Putty application in your laptop. Only one and only application you will install in your laptop. Okay na, Putty application you will install. Everybody should download and install. Let me show that as well. Ramya, please share your screen now. So
Is it visible?
no, just a minute. Let me give presenter role to you.
Okay.
How to install Putty also? Can you show me? Go to Google once. This is one-time task again, guys, not daily task. Putty download. So guys, everybody whoever newly joined today, please do all these things without again fail by tomorrow. Okay, open the first one. Open, click on download Putty. So you no need to do that. First one. Just download and install it, guys. Everybody. Okay, now download and install. That's it. Yeah, close that. It's I hope you already downloaded, right? Installed.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
And guys, as I told, one key pair you got it. So I have to generate a private key. Let's do this. See, Sri.pem I got it. It's a key pair. Two keys will be there. Can you please open Putty Gen in your laptop? This is one time task, guys. Click on load button. Only first time when you got a latest key, you will do this. Click on all files. Sri.pem, select it. Okay, save private key. Uh, Save with the same name. Don't give any extension, just save with the same name. Yeah, now close it. That's it, guys. I'm ready to log in now. Okay, now I'm ready to log in my Linux box now. Copy the IP address. Yeah. So open Putty in your application. Save it. Sorry, paste it. And left hand side SSH button. Click on authentication button. Browse. Select your key. So guys, actually in last class I showed clearly. That's the reason just I'm going, I'm recalling them. Open, and the username is ec2-user. Yeah, ec2-user. That's it guys. Your Linux operating system is ready. So you installed in AWS data center guys. Okay, so you installed in AWS data center. You connected from your laptop, maybe your developer, your application guys. Everybody, they will connect in this way only. Now whatever you do in this putty session, it will be updated in that Linux box where it is there in your AWS data center. It won't store in your laptop guys. Okay na? It is your AWS server. There we installed our operating system. Now let's see the basic concepts. Okay na? So guys, now let's see the basic concept. How the like Linux works. So first of all, I want to see like example guys, Windows and Linux works in the same way. So like maybe how to log in, how to install application, how to delete them, how to create a file, how to create a folder. So all these things I'm going to show you in Linux also, because already in Windows you know that how to do that. So right, but Linux is completely new to us. Okay, so guys, we need more practice. Linux is not a user friendly like Windows. You can't understand the things. Okay, na. So make sure that you follow the things, practice more, then only you can understand. Let's see. So can you please increase the font? Right click on that white bar. You have white bar right above. Above white bar is
Where?
there. Above. Right.
This one.
Yes.
Okay.
Change settings.
Change.
Change settings. Above. Uh,
Okay.
Click on appearance. Left hand side appearance button is there. Right hand side change button is there now.
Change.
So select bold and 14. Say okay. Apply.
Okay.
That's it. Okay. So this is how you can increase the font. So guys, here let's see some basic commands today. Can you do who am I? Who am I? Who am
Should
I?
I write here?
Yes. Who am I will show you. It's a single command without spaces. Who am I? Who am I? Spelling wrong. Enter. So guys, so this is the like command to check what is my username. Okay, so this is the command. Now can you do pwd command? Pwd will show you where are you, in which folder you are in. So guys, in Windows everything graphically visible. Whenever you go some folder you can see that which folder you are in. But here everything is command only. Okay, now everything is command based only here. Whatever you need, command you have to run. So we have to remember the commands, guys. Okay, simply you cannot remember by watching one time. Practice after the class. Yeah, run pwd. Present working directory. Pwd stands for. I will explain about the folder structure also. Like in Windows, we do have C drive, D drive, right? In the same way, here also some folders we have. I will explain them. And can you run ls command? Ls command will show you what is your, like in your current folder, what are there, what are the folders you have. Generally guys, in Windows, if I go to D drive directly, I can say that where are you and what are the contents of D drive. But here pwd to check which folder you are in, ls command to check what are there in that folder. Everything command line only guys, simply not like Windows. Visually you cannot feel it. Okay na? And one more thing, can you please open your notepad, Ramya? Quickly write down this. In Linux, there
Sure.
are two types of users available. Write down. In Linux, there are two types of users available. In Linux, there are two types of users available. One is normal user. Write down below. One is normal user. Make it in next line. One is normal user.
Sorry.
Normal user.
Yeah.
Second one is admin. Admin, in this line, write down the root user. Maybe colon, something like that. Anyway, yeah, that is also fine. Root user. So guys, there is a user called root. Okay, na. So he is the kind of CEO for your operating system, guys. He is kind of CEO for your Linux work. Compulsory root user will be there. Only one user, guys. There is a user called root. Okay, na. So by default, root user will be there in your system, and remaining all are normal users only. Even Amar, Pradeep, EC2 user. Can you please increase the font in Notepad also? Control plus. So guys, by default in your system, root user will be there. So he is the CEO, kind of. He has full rights over the system. He can do anything in the system. He can install, he can delete. If I log in with root user, then only I can do the operations, guys, like creation, deletion, maybe stop, application stop, application start, maybe some user creation, systems related setting, everything I can do if I log in with root user. If I log in as normal user, I don't have administration powers. Example, I joined, what is that user I logged in now? EC2 user.
EC2.
That is also normal user only. Guys, except root, all are normal user. It doesn't matter. EC2 user, Amar, Pradeep, Ramya, Sweta, all are normal users only. Okay, now if you log in as root user, then only you will get the powers. But who will get the root access? Not everybody. Guys, in your project, there might be different teams available. Okay, now developer, application team, database team, DevOps admin. So different teams might be available. Everybody won't get root access, guys. Only admin. Only DevOps admin. Who, because if everybody has full rights, what will happen? Anybody can do anything. There won't be any consistency in the system. Example, let's take one organization. In an organization, there will be different teams, but admin will be there only few people. Okay, now CEO won't be there every time. Yes or no, guys? CEO won't be there every time. Only admins will be there. They will have the full rights like CEO. They are not the root user, CEO, but they will have the powers. Same concept here also. Only admins will get the power, guys. I will show how to provide root access and all. I will show you. There are multiple ways. Okay, but as of now, let's go to Putty session. So I joined as EC2 user, right? I logged in as. Open Putty session. Can you run who am I command one more time? Who am I? See, now I'm a normal user only. What is the difference between normal user and root user, guys? Normal user, except root user, all are normal users only. So they don't have full rights. Only root user will have the full rights. Like installing application, deleting application, stopping application, starting application. Maybe if you want to create new user, delete user, all these things, only root user can do that. Okay, now normal user cannot do that. Okay, but how can I get root access? That part I will show in user management. But as of now, like already EC2 user has the root access, guys. So this is the command sudo space -i sudo space -i. See, guys, now I'm a root user. I can do anything in the system now. Can you run who am I command? Who am I? Yeah. See, guys, I'm a root user now. I can do anything in the system. Now I don't have any rights. That command everybody cannot run, guys. You know, highlight that sudo space -i command. Only authorized persons only can run this command. If normal example there later I created Amar user. By default Amar user don't get this command. If we run this command, it will throw an error. You're not authorized person. There is some configuration required. Okay, now so EC2 user already has that configuration. That's the reason he is able to switch to root user. He is able to log in as root user. Now I can do anything in the system. I can create new users. I can install the applications. I can delete the application because I'm a root user. So guys, did you understand what is the difference between root user and normal user? Any questions? Hello guys, any questions? Okay, so if you don't have, now let me explain about the folder structure. What are the different folders available in Linux and what is the purpose of your those folders? Can you do so, guys? In one more question, in Windows, what is the command? Maybe like how do you open the files and folders? Example folder I want to open, D drive I want to open. How can I open D drive, guys? In Linux, okay, in Windows, how can we open the folders?
Folders or drives?
Anything, maybe see like folder and drive both. So it's a backend, it's a folder only, right? Any
We'll
folder,
go
how can
to
you open it?
my computer and we'll open in that drives. F drive,
Exactly.
D drive.
Double click you will do, right?
Yes.
You will do double click. So here cd is the command, guys. To open any folder, cd is the command. Cd space that folder name. Cd means change directory. So from one directory to another directory, you can use cd command. In Windows, double click we have option, right? Press enter. No, cd space folder name slash.
Folder name?
Yeah, cd space slash / folder. I will explain the folder structure also, guys. Space. No, not like that. Not like that. Cd space slash. That
Okay.
is the folder name,
Slash.
guys. Enter. Now how can I check where I like in which directory I am in? In Windows directly I can see that. If you go to somewhere, if I go to D drive, I can see that I'm in D drive, and these are the contents of that folder. I can see that, right? Here pwd is the command. Pwd,
Slash.
just a minute, guys. Yeah. Okay. So see here, in which folder I'm in, guys?
Slash.
I'm in slash folder. Now let me explain the folder structure, guys. If I ask you in Windows, what is C drive, guys? In C drive, again, you can see different folders, right? So what is
Yeah.
C drive? What is C drive in Windows? Guys, what is C drive in Windows?
It's a drive with a given amount of space so that we can save files and the
My
content which we
question is,
have in.
what is the purpose? What is the purpose of
Local
C
disk.
drive? Hmm?
These are program files which need to be installed. So these are program executable files.
OS related files, user related information, everything available in C drive only. Can we store movies or songs, something in C drive? Guys, can we store movies?
No,
Actually,
no, we can't.
we can, but we don't, right? We can store movies,
Yes.
the songs, everything. You can store any folder you can store. But why we are not doing? Because every folder has its own structure. Again, the purpose. We should not mess
The
up
own
the
functionality.
we should not mess up the like functionality or the what I can say, the purpose of that folder. So in Windows also, in Linux also, we do have different folders, guys. Okay, now let me share my screen. I will explain what are the different folders available in Linux and what is the purpose of those folders. Just a minute. Let me take control now. Okay. So what is the different? So if I say in Windows we do have C drive, and again D drive, E drive. In C drive you will have again different folders. So same thing I'm explaining now in Linux. Okay. Here these are the folder names, guys. So only naming convention will be different, guys. Okay, na. So naming convention will be different, but usage is same. Okay, now if you can compare with Windows to Linux, the things are very smooth. Okay, so try to compare with Windows. Most of the things same like Windows only. Only naming's different. These are the like again different folders available in Linux, guys. There is no C drive, D drive concept in Linux. Okay, now we don't have that kind of names. So this is the folder name, guys. This is the main folder in Linux, similar to your C drive. In Windows, we do have C drive, right? Same. Here slash is the folder name. There C is the folder name. So under that only you can see different folders, program files, OS related files, user related things and all. So same concept. Here also we do have different folders. So this is called as, so guys, under slash, if you go to slash folder, you can see all these folders. Can you show your screen once, Ramya? So just a minute. Just a minute. Yeah, Ramya, show your screen once. See guys, I'm in slash folder now. Can you do ls now? In Windows directly I can see what are there in that folder, but here ls is the command, guys, to see what are the contents we have in this folder. See, now you are in slash folder. Now you can see all these folders. Each is for different purpose, guys. So you should know the purpose of each folder. What is the purpose of these folders? It's okay. So in C drive also I can store movies, songs, but why I am not showing? Because I should follow the consistency. Purpose of the folder I should maintain. Same concept here also. Each folder has its own advantages. So I will explain few of them. Okay. So maybe not all. Why? Because again, so later, slowly you will come to know what are the folders we have. Don't worry about that. Let me take control again. So guys, and these folders we can call them as like while referring. Okay, now I will call cd slash root. Why? Because it is under slash, right? So I can call it as slash root, slash home, slash etc, slash boot, slash tmp, slash bin, slash sbin, slash usr, slash var, because all are under slash folder only. Okay, now so I should refer like this. So if I want to go to root folder, I should say like this: cd slash root. Now cd slash home, cd slash etc. That means under slash root folder is there.
Hello, Mar.
Yes.
Yeah, is it cd space slash root or cd direct slash
So after the command,
space? Okay,
always we have to give the spaces. Just a
space.
minute. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. I'm sorry, guys. Okay. So like, it's space only. So after the cd, compulsory space required. Space, then which folder you want to go. Okay, na space we have to give compulsory. So and cd slash root, cd slash home. Why? Because these folders are available under slash folder, guys. Okay, na? And just a minute, guys. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. Okay. So here, guys, this is how we will refer the folders. Okay, now maybe in same similar to Windows only, guys. In Windows also, let me show you. I hope you are able to see my screen. So guys, in Windows also same concept. Example, let's see. C drive I want to go. Here, see path, it will work in the same way, guys. Example, users, public. See the path here. So this is, but here backslash we use for each folder. But here in Linux, we use forward slash. Only that is the difference, guys. Example here, under root test folder is there. Just assume that. Now, how to refer this path, guys? We don't have a graphical screen like Windows to enter into the folders like this one by one. Okay, na. So here command line only we use. How to refer this path? We should not say slash test, guys. Is it there under slash, guys?
No.
Where is it?
No, no.
Is it under? It is under root.
So this is the
LS.
path. This is the path. This is how you have to refer. So that means under slash root is there, under root test is there. This is how you have to refer. CD space this one. So guys, to refer the folders, this is the way. Okay, example, under test one more folder is there, test one. Now how to refer this path?
cd slash root slash test one.
Exactly. So that means, so only this first folder is slash is folder. Remaining in between you are getting slash, right? These are just separators. Okay, now here under slash root is there, under root test is there, under test one is there. This is how you have to refer the paths, guys. Example, now I have maybe here one test folder is there. Now what should I refer?
Under tmp.
Tell me the path.
Temp. cd slash temp slash test.
Exactly. Slash tmp slash test. I have to refer to open that
Yeah.
folder. Again, guys, there are two types. Okay, one is absolute path. Okay, now in one shot I can go like this, and this is also correct only. So first go to tmp, then go to test. This is also correct. Okay, now example, I'm in Hyderabad now.
Some disturbance is coming from your side.
Oh, is it? Just a minute. Is it for everybody? For all? Only for few?
No, no. Now it's fine. Before it was there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, please let me know if you have again. Okay. So here, guys, both are same. So first of all, I'm telling you the references. How to CD to each folder. So this is also correct. This also correct. First go to TMP, then CD to test. Okay. Now this is called as absolute path, guys. Absolute path means full path. And this is relative path. This is called as one by one. Your wish, whichever is comfort. Generally, we go with absolute path only, guys. But based on your requirement. Okay, na? Now, example, guys. I'm under slash folder. Okay, na? I want to go to this folder. How can I go? Should I give this one or CD root? Which one is correct? I'm under slash folder. So which one is correct?
First one.
Both are correct. Because
Oh.
you are in slash folder. Okay, na. So I no need to give again slash here. But both are correct. Absolute path also correct. Relative path also correct. Now example, I am here. Okay, na, slash boot. I want to go to this folder. Does it work? Which one is correct?
Second one is correct. CD space slash root.
Because guys, here one thing try to understand. Example, just treat that this is India. Okay, na? And you are in these are states. Just assume that. Okay, so maybe you are in Telangana now. So I'm already in Telangana. Example, you're already in Telangana. Okay. Now to refer any maybe district in Telangana, should I refer again from beginning? Like India, Telangana. How you will refer? Example, you are in this is Telangana. Now I'm in Hyderabad. Okay, na? Maybe to refer like Banjara Hills. Should I say India, Telangana, Hyderabad, Banjara Hills?
No.
That is also correct.
We can say directly Banjara.
That is also
Not
correct,
required.
but not required. Yes or no? Directly Banjara Hills I can say. I no need to say full. Example, you are in Bangalore, maybe Karnataka. You want to refer Hyderabad address. If I say simple Hyderabad, does it work? Maybe if I say direct to Banjara Hills. I'm in Bangalore now. Okay, I want to refer Banjara Hills. So simply I'm talking to you. So in Banjara Hills, my home. Does it work? If you don't know Banjara Hills,
No.
what you have?
No.
No.
You have to say Hyderabad, Banjara Hills. Telangana, Hyderabad, Banjarahills. Yes or no? So already
Yes.
you and me both are in Hyderabad. I want to refer Banjarahills. Should I say India, Telangana, Banjarahills, something like that? No, right? So based on your
Yeah.
place, where you are in which folder you are in, based on that, should I use full path or should I use relative path? You should understand. Example, I'm in TMP folder now. I want to go to test folder. Should I use absolute path or relative path? I'm already in TMP folder now. So which one is correct? This one or this one? Which one is,
Both are correct.
Both are correct.
both are correct only, but which one is preferable?
CD space test.
This is enough. I no need to say full.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now I want to go to /root. Which one is correct? I'm in TMP folder now. Okay, now I'm in TMP folder. So which one is correct?
First one is correct.
What about second? Does it work?
Because it doesn't work because it's not in the TMP folder.
Exactly.
It's another folder.
Exactly. It's a different folder, not under TMP. So I cannot use this one. Relative path I cannot use. Compulsory I should use absolute path only. So guys, did you understand the concept now? How to like move from one folder to another folder? Okay. So how the absolute
Yes.
path and how the relative path is working. So any folder I can go in that way. You can use either absolute path or relative based on your requirement. Okay, now so generally absolute path means you are outside means you will use absolute path. If you are inside means already no need to use absolute path. Okay, na? So that is how. Now let's explain about the folder structure. As I told already, there are two types of users. Okay, na? So one is normal user, second one is root user. So he is like CEO. He has full rights over the system. Only DevOps admin or system admin will get this root access, guys. Not everybody. Okay, now remaining all like EC2 user by default, everybody is a normal user only. Okay, now but few of them will have root access. Only admins. Whatever the users you create, initially everybody is a normal user only. If you log in as a Ramya user, you are a normal user only. But if you are an admin, you can switch to root user and you can do the things like install application, install database, create new user and all that kind of stuff. So I hope you understood the concept, guys, right? What is the difference between root and normal user? What are the different folders we have? But I will explain the structure also, guys. Okay, now maybe like right, I have one interview today. So guys, I'm sorry, extremely sorry. I have to leave now. Okay, but tomorrow I will take some little extra time. Okay, so then I will explain about this folder structure. Not all are not required, guys. Okay, na only few of later slowly you will come to know that, but few of them I will explain in tomorrow class. Then after how to create a file, how to create a folder, how to create user, how to install the applications in Linux, everything I will explain slowly. Okay, so guys, whoever joined newly today, okay, now please ping me on this WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number. So I will add you into my WhatsApp group and I will, so guys, first 2-3 videos, there is a YouTube link actually. So there only they will upload, but later like they will provide a Google Drive or else I will provide the links also. But as of now, ping me on this number. Last 2 videos also I will provide you. Okay, na? Whoever newly joined today, like what is the prerequisite, what is DevOps, everything I already explained. Please ping me on this number. Okay, so note it down, guys. Everybody note it down and ping me in WhatsApp. And this is my WhatsApp number. I pinged in group chat also. Sorry, Google Meet also. and this is my number. Okay, maybe I cannot ping you individually. Why? Because again, you can do that, but like I have some dependency. Okay, now, guys, everybody. So I'm sorry, so I have to leave now. Actually, I have one interview, guys. Thank you very much. We'll meet again tomorrow, same time, same link. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Bye, guys. Thank you.
Bye,
So
Amar.
who will
Great.
take the tomorrow session?
Can I share my? This is
Uh,
Nahma.
yes, definitely. Make sure that you are ready with your session, your setup, Linux setup. Okay, na?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye.
Thank you.